Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, welcome. My name is Layefa and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So today's video is a Toke Makinwa inspired look. If you don't know who Toke Makinwa is, she's an on-air personality. She's a celebrity here in Nigeria and she's known for her fashion looks, makeup looks, like she's a beauty icon. So I decided to recreate one of her looks today. Hair, makeup. If you know Toke Makinwa very well, you know that she loves that straight hair. She loves to wear it in the middle part, so I tried to incorporate that in this look. I'm not really much of a center parting girl. I don't know, I don't really think it's the best look on me, but we're trying to do a Toke Makinwa inspired look, so we're doing all things Toke today, leaving our comfort zone. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. I already went ahead to do my face off camera. I'm going to link my foundation, highlight, contour video. So this is the look I'm trying to recreate. It's a brown, nude, smoky eye with a pink nude lip. Toke is very popular for subtle, earthy tones kind of look. Like you never really see her wear like really bold looks, and in my opinion this looks really great on her. She knows what looks good on her and she sticks with it, and that is so me. Like when I find what I like, I stick with it. Anita Brows is a makeup artist and in my opinion she does a fabulous job. Like Toke should not allow anyone else but Anita touch her face. Like Anita snatches her face, my gosh. Like when I see a makeup look on Toke and it was done by someone else, I can instantly tell. Like Anita just knows how to, she gets it right. Anyways, moving on. So Toke likes dewy, subtle kind of looks, and you almost always catch her wearing a center part straight hair. So we're going to try and achieve a Toke inspired look today. So I'm going to be starting off with my eyes, and to prime my eyes I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. You guys already know I love this primer. So I'm going to use my middle finger and apply it on my eyelids. Next I'm going to go into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use this reddish brown shade. I'm going to use this as my main color, so I'm just going to tap this in. Then I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here to blend the color out. Next, I'm going to go into this orange shade to further blend it out. In the picture, she's rocking a wing liner, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Inglot number 77 gel liner to line my eyes. Okay, I'm done, but I feel like I need to deepen my crease a little bit. Although Toke didn't do hers that way, but I don't think it's working for me like this. So I'm going to deepen the crease with this dark brown shade. Shell, please, thank you. This shade right here, the last shade. I'm going to use a crease brush. Yeah, that looks better already. And I personally like this sort of eye looks. Like anytime you see me do a bold eye look, just know that I did it for a YouTube tutorial. But you wouldn't see me go out with bold eye looks. I'd rather go bold on my lips than go bold on my eyes. I feel like subtle eye looks suits me better. I'm going to go back into the blending brush and blend it. Alright, so for lashes, I'm not sure which one I want to use yet. Another thing I realized lately is that bold lashes do not suit me. And all the while, I've always been wearing like really long, really full lashes, and I have small eyes, so they don't really make my eyes pop. I realized that shorter lashes are actually better for my eyes. So I'm going to pick one of these two. I think I'll use this one. So this one is V lashes. You guys know these are my new favorite lashes. Like, I can't get enough of them. I have a ton of them, so I'm going to use this one in the style Lagos. Alright, so we're going to finish off the eye look by highlighting the inner tear duct. For that, I'm going to be opening a newbie. So I'm officially launching this on camera. This is the Anastasia and Amrizi highlighter. I've been waiting for this thing to get here since. So let's see what it looks like. Oh my lord, do you guys see that? Do you see how gorgeous this is? My gosh, this is so beautiful. Let me do a swatch for you guys. Ooh, I wonder how this is going to look on my skin tone, because this looks kind of like a champagne gold. Let's try it though. So for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to go into the Black Radiance Contour Kit. You guys already know I'm obsessed with this palette. See, my own looks like it has been through hell and back. So I'm going to use the highlighter to highlight my brow bone. And I'm going to go back into a blending brush to blend. So like I said earlier, Toke likes dewy look, like really dewy look. So I'm going to be using this dewy setting spray from TM Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand. So I'm just going to spray this all over my face. I'm going to use the Tails Cosmetics Lippy in Gold Coast to line my lips. For some reason I can't find my chestnut lip pencil, so I'm going to use this. Next, I'm going to go into Huda Beauty Lippy in the shade Sugar Mama. Now that I'm done with the lips, I'm going to go back into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrizi highlighter. I'm going to use this e.l.f. tapered brush to apply it. Moment of truth. This thing, I better look good on me because I'm actually going out. It's nice. I don't think it looks good on me though. Am I the only one who thinks so? Well, no. No guys, this is not working for me. I'm going to go into my Younger Beauty Candid Glow in Porkish and put it on top of that. It looks good. I'm sure it will look good on someone lighter, but for my skin tone, I don't think it really flatters me. Okay guys, so that's it for the makeup. Now we're going to go into the hair. For hair, like I said, Toke likes straight hair, straight long hair. So I'm going to be using this straight hair from Asteria hair. I'm going to leave all the details down below. I've been rocking this for about a few weeks now. You guys already know that before I come on here and show you guys any hair, I like to rock it for a bit, so I'm not giving you guys misinformation. Next, I'm going to take the Got2b glue and apply this on my hairline. I'm going to go ahead and take the Got2b spray and spray it on top of that. Then I'm going to go into a hair dryer and put it on the cool setting and dry the hair gel till it gets a bit tacky. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. I'm going to go ahead and pat the hair in the middle because Toke is a middle part girl. I just called Toke a girl. Wow. The height of disrespect, man. I'm going to take a hairbrush and brush this. There's this look that straight hair gives. Like, it just makes you look. That's just a look. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of that Got2b glue again. I'm almost running out, guys. I'm obsessed with Frontals. I got this Got2b glue, I think last month, and I'm almost out. That's to tell you how I'm obsessed with Frontals. So in the picture, you can see that she had a little bit of edges going on. Next, I'm going to take a hot hair curler and press it in the middle of the hair so it's flat. So that's it, guys. I'm just brushing through the hair. You guys can see how beautiful this hair is. I'm beginning to have a serious thing for straight hairs. Like, I'm beginning to be really obsessed with it. Makes me look all girly, you know. So yeah, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Let me know in the comment section down below if I nailed this Toke Makinwa inspired look. And if you want to see more celebrity inspired looks from me, do let me know which celebrities you'd like me to recreate their looks, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.